Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to my channel. I think we're up to weekly Liv number 32, correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm here in my bedroom. Please excuse the fact that our bed doesn't have a duvet cover on it. We literally just bought a new duvet and duvet cover on the weekend, and the duvet cover was not quite dry, but I wanted to change the sheets, so that'll be fixed for tomorrow. Well, or later today. It'll be fixed soon is the point. I recently just changed my room. Let me show you. So we just did a big room clean out, and I'm borrowing this from my flatmate. I have no idea where it's from. By the way, that's a Minecraft potion bottle that we got. How cool is that? Whenever you like tap it, it turns on. It's really cool. Yeah, and this is where you guys sit. And I did this basically so that I have no excuse not to do my hair every day. Because you guys know I'm not a hair person, so now that I have a mirror here, I can always do my hair. I'm actually running earlier than I thought, so I'm really quickly going to show you what I'm having for like lunches and snacks and everything this week. I meal prep every single Sunday. I think from now on I might film my meal prep and then put it into the following week's video, if that makes sense, so then you can see what I'm eating for the week and how I made it. If it's really basic or a repeat, I probably won't show you, so you'll probably only see it a few times because I repeat it majority of the time. But anyway, let me get out my stuff and I'm going to pack my lunchbox. By the way, in case you guys are wondering, my lunchbox is from Kmart. It's got like a big space down here for like, I don't know, sandwiches or whatever, and then a humongous, just nearly broke a glass, a big one up there, so I have space for everything. So to put it into perspective, I basically have 3 meals at work, pretty much 1 big meal and 2 snacks. I like to have 1 at around 10, 1 at preferably 1, but sometimes it ends up being earlier, but I basically only have 3 a day, so it doesn't really matter. And then I have 1 after school. If I'm coming like straight home from school, like I know that I'm leaving early, I don't take that snack, otherwise I'll eat it earlier and then I'll eat again when I come home. So I basically have here 1 at like 10, 1 at 1, and then 1 at like... So my first meal of the day is these little oat thin crackers, and I also am starting to take a probiotic as per the recommendation of heaps of you guys. And then I have 4 of those with some hummus and some cheese. That's kind of like my brain food or morning tea. For lunch this week, I've got potato and leek soup, and because this isn't high enough in protein, I'm also having it with some chickpeas. I'm thinking soon I will start to take protein powder with me. My protein powder at the moment just is not super tasty, so I don't want to drink it during the day. But once I get a new one, I will start taking it to work, and I'll have a shake at work just for extra protein as well. I'm also taking bread because I can never hit my carb goals, which some of you might be like, can't hit my carb goals, but I never can, so I don't mind having bread with my soup. And then I'm just taking 2 of these chocolate peanut butter crumble balls that I made. They're not my best, I've made better, but that's what I've got this week. So yeah, that's my snacks and my meals, and I've got to go. It's Monday night, and this is our new bed cover, by the way, that I was telling you about this morning. And I've just popped a face mask on. I know I look weird with my like full forehead out to play, but this is the Lush Catastrophe Cosmetic mask. It's one of their fresh face masks. This one's got like blueberry and I don't know what else in it. Chamomile, I think. It's supposed to be really like calming, but also like soothing and cleansing, so I'm quite excited. Had quite a good day at work. We had red curry for dinner. I was meaning to vlog it, but I'm officially the world's worst vlogger. But yeah, I'm going to be having another chill night tonight. I kind of want to go and download World of Warcraft because the new expansion's coming out soon and we have some catching up to do, but maybe not tonight. I might do that tomorrow. But I'm just going to blob. I'm always tired on Mondays. Like Mondays I'm just eternally exhausted because it's the first day back after the weekend. God, I love this bed cover. It's from Briscoe's, if you guys are wondering. But yeah, gym was good this morning. I don't think I really talked about it. Did leg day, and then tomorrow I've got booty, so I'm excited to get up in the morning because it's my favorite day of the week at the gym. Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday, and as you can imagine by the color of the video and everything, I'm going to the gym. I am wearing my little like Gymshark crop. I know, this is a big moment for me, wearing a crop to the gym. It has little like finger holes, but they're really tight, so I don't know if I'm going to wear those. But anyway, oh, I am... Last night, Corpu and I took our sleep aid for the first time in like, I would say months. I don't think I've really taken it since like June. just because I didn't think that I needed it, but I just thought, what the hell, I'll give it a try, and damn, I forgot how well it works. Like, I had such better sleep. It's even down to like, it just makes your sleep so much deeper. Like, for example, I fell asleep pretty much like straight away when I like wanted to go to bed, if that makes sense. Like, when I was ready, to sleep, I took the refuge probably at like 9:30, 9:40, and then I just like was lying in bed with Corpy. We were just like chatting and stuff like that. And then like according to my Fitbit, by 10:06 I was actually asleep, like asleep. Whereas normally lately I've been having so much trouble like falling asleep and staying asleep. Like the night before I was lying awake for like 40 minutes or something, and I'm tired, but I just can't go to sleep. And I wake up a minimum of 3 times a night, like once to wee and then 2 times just for shits and giggles apparently. But last night I only woke up once to go to the toilet and I was like back asleep, like so quick, like quicker than normal. Just got back from the gym. I was intending to vlog on the way back from the gym, but my camera died, so that's not happening. I'm really quickly just going to show you, I don't want to say a physique update because it insinuates that I've got a good physique, but I'm going to show you what my body looks like at the moment just in this outfit. Just because I really love looking back on how I look. So this is me right now. Please excuse my messy lounge. This is me like slightly just like tensing my stomach. Side on. Just come back a little bit for the butt view. Back. Ta-da! This is me. Oh, and the other side. Then I had a really rough day. Well, not rough day. I had a really tiring day at school. So I'm in bed all bundled up. I'm also in bed because it helps me stay away from the pantry. I cannot wait to film my fitness routine video. Like, I'm actually so excited to share my tips and tricks that have gotten me thus far. I'd say I probably still have at least 5 kilos to go. I don't know. I have a considerable amount of body fat at least to go. Like, I want to try and lose at least another 5% at least. And obviously muscle growth and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm pretty freaking excited to film that, so I'll be doing that on the weekend. But right now, I'm literally lying in bed to avoid the fridge. Slight change of plan. I'm going out for dinner with Corpy tonight, so I'm just gonna go meet him in the city. I don't know where we're eating. I don't know if I'm picking him up and then we're going elsewhere or what, but I'll keep you guys posted. We're at Lone Star. We both got matching meals because we're cute. The corpse is excited. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, it's cold. Oh, I don't know why. It's so cold. Save me. It is like nearly 6. I can hear a car. I wonder if it's Corpy and Hazel. But anyway, I didn't just get back from the gym. I feel like I always say just got back from this, just did this, but actually I didn't. I've been back for ages. I did treadmill sprints, you guys. I did the thing that I never thought I'd be able to do in my whole entire life. So I basically did 5 minutes of like a speed 6 walk. So like a very brisk walk in my opinion. And then I did 10 minutes of 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off, sprinting on the treadmill. Well, I don't want to say sprinting, but for me it was sprinting, but as far as sprinting goes, it wasn't sprinting. But for me it was running extremely fast. My heart rate was at like 160 to 170. So that for me that is like very fast. So I did 10 minutes of that, so like 5 minutes of sprinting, essentially if you broke it down, 5 minutes of sprinting, 5 minutes of resting. Next time my goal is to do 15 minutes and to go to a speed of 14 rather than 13, which I don't actually know if I said 13, but for me that was very, very fast. I don't know if it's just coincidental, but my tummy's really bloated. I don't know if you guys can tell, not that you really know what my tummy normally looks like, but it's so bloated and so sore, and I've been eating like less and like the right amounts of everything, and I don't know what it is. I've also been having green powder, so I don't know what it is, but it's bloody sore. Could tell you that for free. So I started making dinner and I forgot to vlog, but in here is 2 egg yolks, 2 tablespoons of lemon, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of pesto, and not 100 grams but about 80 grams of parmesan. And you just whisk it, and then you boil your pasta. And then this is for my chicken, which I need to put in now. Why yes, I am eating in bed. Thank you for asking. I forgot to film the rest of making this, but basically, you know the pot or the pan, no it's not a pan, the bowl that had like the mixture in. What you do once your pasta is boiled is basically you just directly with tongs from the pot of boiling pasta, drag the pasta into the bowl with like the mixed paste stuff in. And then you take like a couple of teaspoons of pasta water and then just... Really? That sounds like that was in my house. Anyway, like turn it around with tongs until it becomes like a creamy sauce, and then this is what you're left with. By the way, this is not my eating hand, this is my left hand. And then I just chuck some chicken in, salt and pepper, and I'm gonna devour this. Right now I'm watching a video from this chick called Marie Wald. You can't see it, that's her there. If it wants to focus, pardon me, I totally just burped mid-talk. I'm just watching fitness videos and hers are really, really informative, so yeah. This is my hack, friends. Have something like this for dessert. Marshmallows are my current love. I think I'm gonna buy Pinky bars for next week, but so good. So good. Good morning, it's Friday. I just finished at the gym, finished getting ready. Yeah, I'm just gonna pack my lunch bag. You guys already know what I'm having, so I won't bore you by showing you again. I always like to pack my bag before, well, pack my food before I get ready. Otherwise I just find that I get too taken away doing my makeup and then I have to like rush to pack my lunch. So I found that packing my lunch first, let me just close this. Packing my lunch first means that like now I can go to work. No, like, you know, just put it by the door, buy my keys, and then as soon as my face is done I just like go out the door. Oh crap, I also need to download Monster Hunter World because it just came out today, so I better do that now. Wow, I still have my like moisturizer sinking in, so this is a good use of my time while I'm waiting. It just released at like, I think it was 3 AM last night. Obviously we were asleep because it was 3 AM. But yeah, we're probably going to play like all weekend and I'm very excited. It's big breakfast morning in our house. Hazel's putting the saucies in. This is them. I'll show you. They're actually, for a sausage, they're actually looking pretty good on the cows. I'm only going to have one, so somebody's having 3. And then we've got some, you probably can't see because our oven is horrendously dirty. Actually, I'm not even going to try and show you. There's bacon in there. Got eggs. What else? Oh, halloumi. We're trying 2 types of halloumi today. This one we know we like. We're trying this. God, I'm excited. Hello, beautiful. So we've had a very eventful day playing Pokemon Go and none of us wanted to make dinner, so we decided to order Thai, and we ordered it from this place that we've been to before, and it's one of those places where you have to pay for rice. So I was being proactive and I thought, oh, if you have to pay for rice there you won't get rice with your curry, so I got 2 rices and then they gave us free rice. Hazel's eating keto, so she doesn't need rice. This is for Corbu and I to share, and now we have 4 containers of white rice, and we don't even normally eat white rice. Before I signed off the vlog, I thought I would show you guys this week's parcels that I got. The first one is from Revlon, and it is a new foundation and a new primer. So this is the primer here. It's the Color Stay Prep and Perfect primer with SPF. I'm definitely going to give this a try. And then we've also got the Revlon Full Cover Foundation, but they unfortunately sent it to me in a colour that's too dark, which is literally like the story of my pale life, but that's okay. I will give this to a friend, but it's supposed to be a full coverage foundation, so I'm sure I'll find somebody that will enjoy that. So thank you so much, Revlon. And this is the other parcel that I got. It is the supplements that I was telling you guys about. Well, one of the 2 parcels. These ones are from Protein Supplies Australia, and the main 2 products that I wanted were these, but I got all of this stuff in a bundle. So I really wanted to try their all natural pre-workout. It's strawberry and passion fruit flavored. But the thing that I didn't realize until I received it is that it's got 7.8 grams of, 7.6 is it? Yeah, grams of protein in it. I'm so excited to try this. It's like all natural, no nasties. I'm so excited. I'm honestly so excited for that. And then this Alcar stuff is acetyl L-carnitine, which is a not a pre-workout, it's a fat burner. Essentially a fat burner. You can see all of the positives for it here. And then this was the other big thing in the pack. Now this is just a protein. It's a whey protein, but it's unflavored, so I'm probably going to use this in like, not necessarily baking, but I'm probably going to use it more for like smoothies and recipes and stuff like that. It's got quite a lot of protein in it. It's got 26.6 grams, sorry, 26, I can't read today, 26.4 grams. And then I also just got a range of samples. So I got a chocolate whey protein, strawberry and acai protein, paleo chocolate, a little mini of the pre-workout, and then also this, which I might take to work today. It's just like a blood orange electrolyte drink. I want to give that a try. So that is the end of this week's vlog. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. I feel like every week or like every Monday I promise that my vlogs are going to be super interesting, and then they're not. So I hope you guys are still enjoying them nonetheless. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next week with another vlog. Bye!